Sapna, share with us like what you have learned about leading across cultures and accents in Toastmasters, and how does that sharpen leadership in global teams?
So one thing which I learned about, dealing with so many global people and different accents is we are all same, we are all human. At the level, if we look at it at large, we are all humans. Nobody is different. Maybe the colors of our skin might be different, the places that we live is different, but we are all the same people with same emotions, similar, things that make us laugh, make us cry, make us go, wow, oh my God, kind of. And with our fraternity, it's like everybody behaves in the same way. They will all stand up and cheer for you, no matter, if you're standing on the stage or wherever. When Toastmasters meet each other, it's always like long lost friends, even if you're meeting for the first time. So, um, well, what has Toastmasters really helped me is to know more about the global presence, how people really are, how their cultures are, because we can have that conversation very easily with our friends across the globe. It has helped me to understand so much about them in different, that when I take it back to my clients, I'm able to strike that conversation. Some similarities, when you want to build a rapport with your client. Um, because of the conventions that I have attended, I've been able to strike conversations with my clients about the places that I have visited. And they were like, oh my God, I didn't know this existed, even if they are like from that place. So it just helps to build that confidence that the person has been around, they have gone around, they understand our culture, they understand me. And that makes the working relationship a little bit better and puts you at ease, because they know this person will understand what I need. And with accents or uh, different accents, I would say is that you understand the mental level of the person as well, because their natures. Even if you've just had a few friends, but at least you know the nature, so you know what they will like, what they will not like. And if you're good enough, not like me, who can learn a few jargons of the language good enough, or a few words here and there, which I am not really good at, but I sometimes feel I'm only conversing in US English. But I think it really helps you to deal a lot with people, understand them at a human level, which I'm able to take it back to my work, and it has really helped me out there.